make some turkey burgers from this. Everyone, so we're just doing another video here, and we're making some lean turkey burgers. So basically, this is lean turkey mince. We're just going to lightly fry them in some oil. It will cook quite quickly here, and I'm just going to lightly flip them over, just like this. I'll link the ingredients in the description box. I'm just going to do another flip here. And it's just going to lightly fry away. So as you can see here, these are the turkey burgers. They're cooking nicely. I've had to cover them down for a few minutes just so that the steam can cook through on the burgers here. And then we're going to lightly toast some, you can just see here, I'll just show you briefly. You can just see here, bottom of the pan here, we're just going to use it to toast some burger buns as well. So we're going to go right back to So I'm just about to assemble the turkey burgers now. So what I'm going to do, I am going to put a layer of mayonnaise first at the bottom. Just a tiny smidget of it. I don't know if you all can see it clearly. Tiny smidget of the mayonnaise. And then we're going to add the turkey burger. You can see here. And then we're going to add some rocket leaf, like very healthy burger. And then we're going to add some cherry tomatoes. Tomatoes. And then we're going to add another layer of mayonnaise on the top. Just a tiny smidget of it. And there we are. And to top it off on the side, we're going to add a bit of the rocket leaf that I had there, a bit of tomatoes, and some more rocket leaf. And there you have it, a healthy turkey burger with some salad. I'll just give you a better view of it. You can see a roundabout view of it. There you go. And there you are, a wonderful turkey burger. I hope this little video does somebody wonderful today, and please continue to